you can upload all sorts of media assets to Child. You can upload images, be they JPEGs or PNGs or GIFs or GIFs, depending on how you choose to pronounce that. You can upload things like Word documents, Excel spreadsheets, PowerPoint presentations, PDF files. There are all kinds of options. But before you do that, after you watch this video, please also watch the video about optimizing files for search. This video and that video together are really important to make sure that site coordinators are uploading and optimizing those files appropriately so that users can actually find those files when they search for them. So for the purposes of this exercise, I'm just going to upload a very simple Word document and then also show you how to overwrite that. So to upload a file, first thing you want to do is come over to the Assets pane and make sure the Media tab is selected. Now, you will have this For This Page option, but please, this is very important. Please do not save files or images in the For This Page section. Please always save them into the media folders. So you just expand the media folder, save them into the appropriate subfolder under the media folder structure. For this purpose, I'm going to come down and go to the Marcom section and communicating with our workforce. So when I click that, these are the files that currently live in the communicating with our workforce folder. Now I want to add this new file to this location. So I can either click the little plus sign down here, or I can click this little section here that says upload files by dropping them here, or click to browse. The upload files box opens up, and then you just click the plus button to add files. Navigate to where your file is located. Mine is actually in my downloads folder, and that uploads that. The green line is done. I'll click close. And then I'll scroll down and you can see it highlighted here, that sample doc for training. That's now available. So let's link to that from our child page here. Let's say we want to link to it from something in the authorization form. How about interviews? Just highlight that text. Again, come over here to the link. We'll just call this sample doc for training. Because it's a document, you want to open it in a new tab or window. That way it won't override the child page that's open. And because it's media, we want to click the media field and then select the media. Open the media folder. I'm going to have to scroll down quite a bit and then go to people and places. Open that. Departments. I'll go to Marcom, and that's under communicating with our workforce. And need to open that first. Here we go. Sample doc for training. And click OK. Now it's in there. It's set to open in a new tab. We can click OK. That link is now in there. If we preview this, scroll down, there's that link. Now I could click this, but it's not going to do anything visibly on the page because this is a Word document. So what that document will do is it will actually download when someone clicks that. So I'll go back to the editing section. That's how you upload a file and link to it. Now let's say you make an edit to that file and you need to overwrite it. So I'll go back to this and say, here's the edit. I'll save that. Now I'm working in the exact same file that I just uploaded. That makes it easy. I just saved it to the same location. I'll come back here, do the upload files again, click on that document again, and click open. Now, if you've done it right, you will get this pop-up that says replace or skip files. You want to click replace file. If you do not get this pop-up, that means that the name of the file is somehow different than the version that you're trying to overwrite. So it's very important. If you're going to overwrite an existing file, it has to have the exact same name, has to have the same capitalization and lowercase. Everything in the title of the file has to be identical. So if you don't get this pop-up, that means all you're doing is adding a new version of the file to the media library. You're not actually overwriting the version that's there. I'll click replace file, and that's done. Then click close. Well, actually it says that it's still uploading. So I'll click OK. Now it's done uploading. So this file has now been updated. The great thing about overwriting the file is that that's all you have to do. Any links that are pointing to that file will automatically pull this most recent version. So you don't have to go change links or anything like that. Now, if for some reason you do need to upload a version of the file that uses a different name for some reason, please delete the old version of the file from the child media library. Otherwise, that old version of the file will still appear in search results, and that could be confusing to some users. So that's how you upload and overwrite an asset, a file of some sort. And again, please watch that video about optimizing files for search.